celebration sa Papa ni Franz. So, huwag na ko akong igagaw si Ivan. Yang uyab na si Melody. Sa mga mangutanan na sad, ganun sa car ko mag-celebrate of Father's Day, FYI. Nag-advance celebration namin sa Father's Day sa kong daddy kahapon lang. Ako i-insert ang video diri para tutuon mo.
Happy Father's Day to you.
To me.
Happy Father's Day to you.
To me.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Okay, first of all, Dad, that cake is from Team France.
Debis and Vlad.
Yay! And this one is from Team Chantal and Friends.
You don't want to lay any.
You can open that.
Oh, look.
Wow!
It's a boy!
You're having a boy?
Yes! I hope it suits you. Suits you?
I mean, I hope it fits you.
Yeah, if you want to give that to me again.
Lee.
Yes.
Lee Kung Ka.
Okay, next. From Gil. From Gil. Ta-da!
Read it out loud.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you for giving me the things I want, for always taking me to church, and for always recording me when I dance at church. Thank you for making me feel loved and supported. I'm sorry for the times I acted spoiled. No, she never would act that way.
I should never act that way.
For the times I don't listen to you, okay, yeah, I understand that. And for always leaving the bathroom floor wet. My prayer for you is a long, healthy, and happy life. May God continue to bless you and our family. I love you, Dad.
Yay!
Look at Daddy's face.
Wait, yeah, this is what I paid for. Okay.
First.
Hey, love. I love you.
Hey there, baby. It's a girl.
It's a girl. It's a girl?
It's a girl.
Okay. Shorts that look like they're gonna go all the way down to my feet. Dear my guapo.
Oh, you're crying. Here.
Thank you for making me feel worthy of being loved. Thank you for helping me regain my confidence and for loving me for who I am. I'm sorry for the times I act childish, for the times I don't fully trust you, and for the times I don't listen to you, which is awful. Thank you for always being patient and understanding. My prayer for you is good health, happiness, and peace. May God continue to guide and bless you, and may you always keep your faith in Him, no matter what life brings. I love you, my love. And I mean it every day. I love you, I mean it every day.
Kiss!
After na magpangaon kay nagchika-chika rami og nagpicture-picture din ang uli na dayon mi. If you're wondering asa ni nga place, naara ni sa Basak, Kagudoy, Lapu-Lapu City, sud sa Vestabilia Subdivision, or just search Mactan Grand Golden Hotel sa FB.
Time check, it's 6:10 a.m. and naabot na mi sa car guys. So dara, ipakita imong kuan. Mo ni ang gift sa iyang papa and Father's Day cake sa iyang papa.
So kay sayo man mi naabot sa car, syempre wala pay luto nga sudan. Nagpalit lang sa big manok kanang tag 20 ba kay wala pa man mi pamahaw. Nya nagpahapit po og lechon manok ang mama ni Franz para unya. Ari mi ni palit kay sirado pa man ang chooks to go. Nya pagbalik na mo sa balay na mahaw ra mi kadali unya nagsugod dayon sila sugba sa baboy ug bangus. Pag gumagluto sa tanang sudan, kagikantahan na dayon na mog happy birthday ang papa ni Franz.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. Ikaw gunit, ani, ikaw gunit. Music, music. Piso.
Piso, sunod sa piso, dos lang yun. Tabangin mo. Oh, 5 na. Sangat. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, 20 na. Next. Kana, sakto na. Lampo na. Berapa? Berapa ayo, Ma?
Tuyo ka ba?
Oh, iba. Tagata na rin mo. Paano yun? Pula po. Pagi pa. Pamisik yun lang. Lampo na. Tapos pasik.
Music. Kanta, kanta. Paspas na kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Charot, bitaw kani nga time kay natug na si Franz ani akong uyab kay wa pa betoy tugi kan work niya, need pa dyan matug kay siya pa mo drive pa uli later. So kami lang sa akong igagaw diri nagchika-chika while yung uyab kay nasa kilid dag mini concert.
Hi guys, time check. It's now 6:52 p.m. and karon kay padung nami uli nga namig celebrate sa Father's Day and update ra ta mo later if nauli nami.
So mao to wala na jud ko ka-update pag uli namo kay gipangkapoy na jud sa biyahe. So mao lang sana tong mini vlog karon. Thank you for today and follow me for more mini vlogs. Good night everyone.